Salar Publications and Daily Salar Digital extend warm wishes to all our viewers and readers, embracing the spirit of solidarity and the blessings of Ramzan. We rejoice in the opportunity to celebrate Ramzan and share its joys with everyone, extending our support to the poor and the needy. Let us delve into the sacred realm of spirituality and contemplation, seeking to understand the teachings of the Quran and striving to embody them in our actions. As part of the Salar family, we pledge to provide comprehensive coverage throughout Ramzan. We invite our viewers to join us on this journey, supporting the channel by subscribing, liking and sharing our content. Together, let us make this Ramzan a time of reflection, compassion and unity. Ramzan Mubarak from Salar Publications.